Hi, and welcome back to the Coding Hub. In today's video, we'll have a look at the best ways to learn JavaScript. Let's get into it. So yeah, please like and subscribe to see more of these types of videos. In this one, we'll have a look at JavaScript and the best ways to learn JavaScript. So JavaScript is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. And as you can see on my screen here, some of the average developer salaries for JavaScript developers that you can expect are between $62,000 and $118,000, according to the source on the screen here. But as a general thing, JavaScript developer salaries are very high in almost every country around the world. So definitely recommend becoming a JavaScript developer. JavaScript is a programming language that controls the web. So anything on the internet is more or less controlled by JavaScript. So it can manipulate data that comes from things like APIs, and it can change HTML components and elements, as well as CSS in different scenarios. So yeah, JavaScript is an amazing programming language. So as well as it working on the web, you can use it for various other ways, like creating APIs and things like that. So the first way that we would recommend learning JavaScript is by getting a book. Books are extremely useful and you can read them anywhere, and they are offline as well. So yeah, one of the best ways to learn JavaScript is by getting this book here, so JavaScript for Beginners to Professional. This book goes into great detail and you can expect to pick it up if you have no idea about JavaScript and become a professional by the end of the book. The second way that we would recommend learning JavaScript is by looking at Udemy courses. So this Udemy course here on the screen is called JavaScript Basics for Beginners, and it's a 6.5-hour course that goes into the basics of JavaScript, and it's a great way to get started if you haven't done JavaScript before. A second course that we would recommend is the Complete JavaScript course for From Zero to Expert, and this course is a very long course. It's a 69-hour course, but you can download those videos and you can watch them from anywhere. You get a certificate at the end, and there are a lot of articles to go with it, and it really does go into a lot of detail. And if you haven't done JavaScript before, I would highly recommend this course, as you will learn everything from the basics to the very difficult concepts within JavaScript itself. And finally, if you don't want to spend any money learning JavaScript, there's no need to. W3 Schools has an amazing website that goes into a lot of tutorials on a lot of different programming languages, and one of those programming languages is JavaScript. There's a very long JavaScript course on here, and you can learn a lot of things for free from W3 Schools, and there are different exercises that you can perform whilst learning JavaScript, and that way you can test your knowledge of JavaScript as you go along within this course on W3 Schools. And that just about covers it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.